What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
Another one, 2022 Ram TRX. Beautifully finished in red. I like it. That's a sexy truck. One of these days, guys, one of these days, I'm telling you, I will have one. Anyways, factory converter there, factory X pipe there. It comes true dual already from the factory. Then what we did, muffler delete and also resonator delete. So we blocked off the vents for the resonators right there. You see them? They followed suit with Chevy and started doing them that way. So instead of changing the pipe and the look, we just cover them. Keeps the original 3-inch pipe all the way through, mandrel bent, you know. Where's the two mufflers, you ask? They're right here. There's the two mufflers that are on it that we cut off right there. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe.
Nice. Let you guys hear it on the inside. Ram TRX, straight pipe.